know that 78% of Americans live month to month? Today I'm going to share with you a secret that will completely transform your bank account. Are you ready for this journey? In 2019, I was completely bankrupt. I had $35,000 in credit card debt, but today I have 6 figures in my savings. Want to know how this is possible? You might laugh at the first rule, but this is what changed my life. I started by saving just $5 a day. Yes, just $5. Does that seem like little to you? But in a year, that $5 became $1,825 plus interest, and that was my foundation. Will you start this challenge today? Then I discovered the secret of coffee. Spending $6 at Starbucks every day means $2,190 a year. Have you ever calculated how much your coffee costs? I quit Starbucks and started making coffee at home. The taste is the same, but it costs only 50 cents. I saved $2,000 in a year. Just think what I could do with that money. The next strategy is even more powerful. I started following the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Did you know this rule? But I did a little twist. I did 50.20-30, savings first then wants. This small change completely changed my mindset. Will you try it? Then came automation. I set up automatic transfers. 20% goes into a savings account as soon as the paycheck comes in. Do you have automatic savings? Now coming to the biggest game changer, I started a subscription audit. Netflix, Spotify, gym. I had 12 subscriptions. Do you know how many you have? I canceled 7 subscriptions that I didn't use, saved $87 a month, $1,044 a year. Isn't that incredible? Then I targeted grocery shopping. Americans spend $400 to $600 a month on groceries. How much do you spend? I started meal planning the whole week on Sunday evening, making a list and shopping, no impulse buying, expenses reduced by 30%. Then I discovered cashback apps, Rakuten, Ibotta, Fetch Rewards, cashback on every purchase, extra $500 a year. Do you use them? Now let's talk about getting out of credit card debt. I had $35,000 in debt on 3 cards, interest rates 18 to 24%. Do you have credit card debt? I used the snowball method, paid off the small date first. That victory motivated me for the big date. It's psychological magic. At the same time, I called the credit card company, negotiated a lower interest rate, lowered it from 24% to 15%. Have you ever tried that? I paid off the entire $35,000 in 18 months. It was my biggest achievement. The feeling of being debt-free is priceless. When will you be debt-free? Then I focused on the emergency fund. Experts say to save 3 to 6 months of expenses. Do you have an emergency fund? I set a target of $10,000, saved $500 per month and reached the goal in 20 months. This fund gave me peace of mind. Now let's talk about the side hustle. I started freelancing, 2 hours every evening, 4 hours on weekends, extra $1,000 a month. Do you have a side hustle? All of this extra income went into investments. I started investing in the stock market, index funds, low risk, steady growth. I followed dollar cost averaging, invested the same amount every month, whether the market was up or down, and returned 45% in 5 years. Then I opened a high-yield savings account. Traditional banks offer 0.01% interest, online banks offer 4.5%. How much interest is on your savings? Now coming to tax savings, I maximized 401k contributions, employer matching free money. I get an extra $5,000 every year. I opened a Roth IRA with it, tax-free growth, tax-free withdrawals in retirement. This is the secret to long-term wealth building. Now coming to the lifestyle change, I started practicing minimalism, fewer things but better quality, happiness increased, expenses decreased. I sold and used items on Facebook Marketplace and eBay, old electronics, furniture, clothes, earned $3,500 in 6 months. Then I cut out dining out, from 4 times a week to 2 times a month. Cooking at home is healthy and cheap, savings $300 a month. Then I negotiated bills, internet, phone, insurance, and a competitor's quote. The price dropped 25%, saving $150 per month. I started DIY, doing minor home repairs myself, watching YouTube tutorials, saving thousands of dollars a year in handyman costs. Then I adopted the 30-day rule. If I want to buy something, I wait 30 days. In 80% of cases the desire goes away. Impulse buying stops. I joined the library, free books, magazines, movies, events. Buying books on Amazon used to cost $50 a month. Now it's $0. Then I switched to generic brands, groceries, medicine, same quality but 30% cheaper. This smart choice saved me $100 a month. I started saving energy, LED bulbs, smart thermostat, unplugged devices, reduced electric bill by 20%, saved $240 a year. Then I focused on health, preventive care, regular checkups, healthy lifestyle, medical bills reduced dramatically. Health is wealth. I created a no-spend challenge, 1 weekend a month with 0 spending, picnics in the park, home movie nights, family games, fun and free. Now 5 years later I have a 6-figure net worth, debt-free, strong emergency fund, growing investments, and financial peace of mind. Remember, wealth building happens in small steps. Consistency is key. Make every dollar count. Start today. Your future self will thank you. So which tip will you implement today? Let us know in the comments, and share this video with those who want financial freedom. Let's grow together.